can adapt to natural changes.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Very good. Okay, second question. Nakipalakpakan si Tani. Okay, so ang minili niya kasi, minili niya, not all animals, not all species can survive sa mga changes ng climate. Kasi sometimes may mga animals na napaka-sensitive nila. Okay? So once that there is climate change, may malaki ang chance na mamamatay yung population nila. So that contributes to biodiversity loss. Naintindihan? Okay, next question. Okay, you listed urbanization as part of the cause of climate change. Okay, can you explain further without reading? Anong urbanization? How does urbanization causes climate change? Sige na, kaya nasagot yun na yung pangalong una. Urbanization. Dali ko? Sige, I will give you the chance to read muna yan. Read. Tapos explain. Paano? Okay, tatanong ako. 5 you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OC for Hannah. Stand up. Okay. How does urbanization causes climate change? Urbanization. Dapat alam nyo yan. Sulat-sulat. Yes. Ha? Okay, so can you explain ano bang urbanization? Based sa... Ano bang urbanization? Kasi you know, siyempre, kung siya kasama siya sa cause, so naturalmente yung magiging reason mo, makakadagdag sa mga pollution. Kasi yun ang talaga ang contributory factor ng climate change. So the question is, ano ba yung urbanization? Paano yan siya nakaka-contribute sa climate change? Ano bang urbanization? Urbanization. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sanggadan precious. Yan ang urbanization. Sagot o hindi? Okay, you got 19/20. Pag